Hello, John with Grey Duck Dent Repair, Minnesota here. Today we are working on a 2016 Chevrolet Silverado High Country. This customer actually was sideswept by another vehicle while in motion. And as you can see, a nasty crease down the door, dent up in the high next to the door handle there, through the cab corner and into the bedside. Just a nasty dent here. Luckily, we were able to take care of this repair with paintless dent removal. And this customer, although the price was slightly higher than his insurance deductible, decided that he would forego making an insurance claim and avoid all of the negative ramifications that come along with that. And as you'll see here, I'll show you the repair in process and I'll show you the results when you're done. But as you'll see, this repair turned out very nicely. The customer was super happy. Thanks so much for watching. And as you can see, this repair turned out very nicely. And because we were able to fix it with paintless dent repair, we avoided repainting the car, avoided having any Bondo in there, and we were able to maintain the vehicle's factory finish, which is by far the most resilient and the most valuable paint job you can ever have on your vehicle. Additionally, we're maintaining the vehicle's value because there will be no negative reporting on the vehicle history report. And we're able to take care of the repair in a matter of hours instead of days or weeks at a conventional body shop. So if you have dents or dings, give Grey Duck Dent Repair a call. 651-492-DENT. Thanks so much for watching.